Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin. You'll need a basic set of hand tools, including various wrenches, a ratchet, and possibly a pry bar to help with belt tension. Having the right tools makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner and loosening it to remove the belt. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power wire from the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Remove these, and you can then carefully maneuver the old unit out of its position. With the old alternator removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and hand-tighten the mounting bolts. Reconnect all the electrical wires and the main power cable, ensuring they are secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto the pulleys and use the tensioner to achieve the correct belt tension. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage. It should typically be around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Listen carefully for any unusual noises, like belt squealing, which might indicate incorrect tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.